Hi guys, I'm Maki Macaroyo. I'm from Atlas Palm, and I'm a back-to-back MDRT, Maple Leaf, and Producers League.
I'm Janice Molato from Molave branch. I'm with Sun Life for 7 years.
Good afternoon, Joseph Giaves, Molave branch, and 4 years na kay Sunlight.
I'm Heidi from Cari Brand.
Hi everyone, I'm Alvin Jason Andrada. I'm a unit manager and financial advisor.
As of now, I'm an athlete. I'm a part of the national rugby team. So I've been in Sun Life for almost 3 years now.
I'm a BPO supervisor. I became a full-time Sun Life advisor 2021.
4 years ago, nag-stop ako sa work dahil sa pandemic. Seafarer.
Until now, I am a health worker. Pero gusto ko na mag full-time kay Sun Life.
Dati kong work, I'm an audit manager sa isang accounting firm, and now I'm with Sun Life for almost 7 years na. So if you want to come with us, join now!
Affordable part, before of the success, 13 months akong walang benta. And then, try lang, ganun. Don't give up.
Yung babalik sa akin si client at sasabihin niya, salamat kasi kunilit mo ako 6 years ago, 7 years ago. And the last time na nagkaroon ako ng policy update or policy review with my client, hindi siya makapaniwala na ganyan na yung naiipon ng policy ng anak niya na kinuha niya 6 or 7 years ago.
Siyempre, may nai-help kang family. Yun.
My sincerity to help the Filipino people to get insured. Makapagpayo ka sa iba, kahit na sakto lang ang pera, yung mag-ipon ka for the future ba?
My favorite thing about being a Sun Lifer is I was able to talk to a lot of people. Alam ko yung mga needs nila, and also nakaka-offer ako ng mga magagandang products na pwede makahelp sa kanila, lalo sa family, lalo na sa mga breadwinners, and also mga single mom and single dads. Yeah.
Bounce back, inalagaan lang talaga yung mga clients. Kailangan alagaan yung clients. You have to, keep in touch with them all the time.
Pandemic is a very napakahirap na challenge pero a lot of opportunities nag-open.
Challenging part, siguro always yung scene zone. Yan. Pero kasama naman na siya sa buhay. Yun.
Challenge, meron ba? De joke lang. Ang challenge na meron ka, na experience is also yung mga rejections. Why? Because hindi nakikita kasi nila yung mga Sun Life as expense. Yung mga parang, yun yung gusto naming iba yung mindset nila na what we offer will help them as a client with Sun Life. So yun.
Before, nung as a seafarer, parang walang opportunity. Kasi nga, nasanay na as a seafarer. May something pala dito sa Pinas na pwedeng source of income din. Yan. So, si Sun Life yun. Yan. So, pwede rin nilang i-try. Very different actually. Kasi hindi naman sila related na industry. Ayan. Pero siguro, in some way, may similarity sila in terms of service. Yan. You serve the guest in hospitality industry. You serve the clients here in the insurance company or industry rather.
Never ever give up. Yun dapat, and try. Diba?